Cover the backside of your base with newspaper to keep free of adhesive and grout. Apply carbon paper face down onto the front surface of the base. Cover with your pattern and secure both layers. Transfer your design onto the base by impressing upon the lines of your pattern. Using Mosaic shears to cut your pattern will remove the amount required for grout between the pieces. Once your glass is cut, apply the pieces to the board with adhesive. Cut border strips 1/8 of an inch smaller than the edge width and glue with adhesive as well. Remove some of the dry grout and keep aside before mixing the remainder with water. Use the set-aside powder to mix to the correct consistency. Apply the grout to the surface and edge using a spatula. Scrape off the excess. Clean off the remainder of grout 15 minutes later using a damp sponge. Wring out the sponge thoroughly in between. Change sides often. Let dry and enjoy.